Hey guys, happy Thursday, Fake Friday, the day before Records Day. So I want to talk about something pretty serious today, okay? What we're going to talk about is designed to manipulate you, is designed to take things from you, is designed to essentially steal from you, okay? I'm talking about coupons, okay? It's pretty serious. What's serious about it is the fact that stores, I don't know if you ever noticed this, but usually stores will have 2 coupons side by side, or some even 3. I know one I keep my eye out for is Culver's coupons. My goodness, those buy one, get one free burgers are so worth it. But usually stores will give you a couple options of coupons. And while one coupon usually stands out as like, oh, that's probably the best one, they're designed to trick you. They're designed to make you think that you're saving more than you really are. Or maybe I'll pick this one instead of that one, designed to trick you. So today is all about, I kind of, I've called it coupon war. That's kind of what I've said before, but it's not like we're playing war with coupons. But I want to talk about the coupon war that we are experiencing at this time, okay? It's been going on forever. So I have some examples here that are some of those trickster, like designed to trick you. So let me move this over so I have to reshare. There we go. Okay. So the first one I want to show you, why is that so blurry today? There we go. Let me see if I can make that better for you guys. Ooh. This is gonna get, let me lower it. Let's see if that helps a little bit. A little bit. Okay. So I want to talk about this first scenario. So it says, buy a bike for $300 or buy a $300 bike for 30% off with an additional 70% off. Now this one, I even put this on the side, like, stop. Are they tricking me? Because what this really does make you think for a moment is if I get 30% off with an additional 70% off, doesn't that mean that I get it for free? Right? 100% off. Let me tone that brightness down. And it's designed, again, to make you think that, but that's not true. Not even in the least bit. So for a problem like this, if you have 2 coupons that you are applying, which you'll see this later today, if you have 2 coupons you're going to apply, it's not like they put those percentages together for you and then apply them. That would actually give you more percent off than reality, unfortunately. So let me show you what happens. So the first thing you're going to do is mark that item off by 30%. We are going to pretend that that additional percent off is not there, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the shortcut method that some of you guys like, and some of you guys still use the other one, and that's okay. But if this bike is $300, if that's my total, and it's going to be marked off 30%, that means that I am going to pay 70% of that item. Okay? And when I divide in times, $210 after the 30% off coupon. Remember, if you're not using the shortcut, what you're going to do is have 30% right there. And you'll get $90 off, which would get you that final price of $210, right? I'm just kind of doing the shortcut. Now, after that, now is when we apply that additional 70% off, okay? Now is when we do it. Wow, the paper, I'm gonna just tape this down. There we go. So additional 70% off. So if I use my shortcut method again, if I get 70% off, that means I'm paying 30. And that value is $63. So when all is said and done, no, it's not free. It's $63. Okay. So 2 coupons, once again, are applied separately. You have to do one, take that new value and apply the other. All right. So trick number 2, or I guess scenario 2. This is the one where you could see most often in a magazine, in the newspaper, or whatever, even on, social media now. I feel like I see coupons on the side, which sucks because we don't need to see that stuff all the time. Not even the slightest bit. So it says you want to buy a toy microscope for $45. Which coupon is better? Like which one is better for you to use? So just for a second, I want you to kind of just estimate, like if you were going to buy a microscope and your mom's like, hey, I got coupons, which one would you grab? Just instinctively. Think about it. Now we're going to solve and see, did you get scammed or did you make the right decision? Now, I'm not going to lie, before we start, these two are pretty close in value, and I did that on purpose. But when you see these on our activity, it'll be a little bit different. So they are very, very close. So $5 off is kind of the easier one to figure out our value. If I'm paying $45 and we're assuming no taxes on any of these items, right? That's not included just yet. All I would do is take $5 off, right? And my item is $40, pretty basic. The 10% off any item, that's where, 10% could be $1 on a $10 item, or 10% could save me $100 on a $1,000 item, right? This is a varying amount that depends on the amount of money. Of course, we have the amount we need. I needed to show you that for this problem, but so we'll need to find out what is that cost after 10% comes off. So 45 is my total. And if 10% is coming off, I only have to pay 90. So I'm using that shortcut technique. And X equals $40.50. So like I said, super, super close. This coupon would win out, the $5 off. This is the one I'm guessing a lot of you probably chose. And in your mind, you might be like, whatever, Miss Mort, 50 cents, who cares? But remember, this is an example problem that was designed to be super close. So, if 10%, if I were buying like, $200 item, my God, 10% would save me $20 compared to $5. So just think about that. All right, last question. This is unit test style question. Which coupon is better? So now not only am I throwing at you like the percentages, but I'm throwing in this whole like buy one, get one idea, which is, BOGO, right? Or buy one, get one 50% off. So you will see these quite often. So which coupon is best? Now for this, I gave no item whatsoever. I thought that was kind of an interesting perspective. You should be able to determine which coupon is best regardless of the value. So, if you are sitting with a friend or you guys are doing this together, I would even say, hey, you pick like a $10 item and test it out and have your friend do a 20, or like Peyton and her grandmother pick different values and test it. So just try it, right? This would be, and when you're picking a value, pick a nice one. Don't pick like 18 as the cost of your item. Pick an easy one, right? So I'm going to pick 10. I'm going to say that my item is $10 that I'm purchasing, okay? So if I were to buy one, get one 50% off, what that means is I am paying for one and I get 50% off or half off the second one. Most of you don't need to do a proportion for that one with the 50%. So I'm paying $15 for 2 items, okay? 25% off one item. Well, you might need to do that. Find 75% of 10, that's 25% off, right? And when I do that, we get $7.50. And that's for one item. Then the buy two, get one free. So if I buy two, I buy 10, 10, and $0, right? Pay for nothing there. The last one only. For a total of $20 for 3 items. Now, you'll never have to make this kind of decision on your own, but I just think it's kind of cool to think about when I say which coupon is best. There are 2 ways that you could really think about that. The first way is which one helps you spend the least amount of money. And if that's the way you're going to think about it, then of course, the middle coupon is my least amount of money. But another perspective you could take is which one is actually getting you the better deal on that item. For example, it's $15 for 2, but that does mean $7.50 for 1, right? Like you could argue, I'm spending the least amount of money for this coupon, but if you look at the unit rate, they actually are the same per item. You know, like if I were buying, say, a bunch of stuff, my daughter's birthday party, and I just want to get everybody a cute little gift for coming, I'll buy, 10 of them if I need to. Those aren't really different, right? They are actually the same cost per item. This one, however, if I divide the $20 by the 3 items I'm getting, it's actually $6.67 per item. Right? So you could argue, which is why it's not a test question, because there are the different perspectives, is that this one is the better buy, is how we would have worded that, right? You're getting the lowest amount per item for that last one. The majority of the problems you will see will ask you to do something like this. This is more 7th grade level. Like, here's 2 coupons. Tell me what happens. On your practice for today, it'll be more like this first scenario where I give you, I believe it's a $20 off coupon and then a 20% off coupon. And I kind of have you figure out, if you were to walk up to the cash register and have both of them, which one's better to do first? Okay. So it's kind of a cool, just real life exploring activity. Coupon War. Okay. Now, when we meet for our live session, I did go through all the examples on this page. So I will most likely have you guys do the first Desmos problem with me. If I look back at it, now that I'm thinking about it, there's not that many problems. If I don't like that, then I'll just have a spare problem for us to do together to talk through on the fly. Okay. It'll be probably something like this. We can really have that conversation. Okay. I will see you for our live meeting.